Hi everyone. So today I'm trying to pack some of my gear I'll be using for travel. Now obviously I have two, should I call them medium size messenger style tie bags. So this is the Peak Design the 10-liter size one. And in here I want to fit the Canon R3. I want to fit in a 70 to 200 what's it called now, EF lens. That's the version 2 Mark 2. I want to fit in a 24 and 1.4 again EF lens, and then I want to fit in this huge 28 to 70 2.0 RF lens, and then I've got this little 50 RF lens. Again, this is just the regular kind. So it's a holiday with the family, so obviously I need to be able to take pictures of my kids as they're running around with the family and swimming and everything. So hopefully everything here needs to fit into this bag. At the same time, we've got some filters here. I've got this attachment which I'll be using on my laptop, or I mean on my belts or on the belts of the hooks of these. Some extra Peak Design stuff here, an extra strap, some filters here, protectors for the camera, screen, obviously my passport, just in case I need to blow off some debris, some wipes, little headphones because I can't take the big ones. So yeah, do you think this would fit in? So let's give it a try. Now I can literally separate everything like I have done, but typically I like to connect the mounts because, again, as I'm on the go in the airport, wherever, I might want to take pictures, so I need my kit to be ready and good to go. So let's see if it fits in here. This is the other bag we'll be trying. This is the Billingham 225. So again, it's a slightly smaller one, different style. Again, I think you know this looks a lot bigger, right? But let's see what happens. So I'll keep this aside for now, and I'll do a separate video on that one. So in here you have obviously the protectors, the dividers. There's two of them. This one has a nice flap, so already I'm thinking I'll put this one here. So let's see if you can see what I'm doing. So I'll put this 24 to 24 here, and then I'll flick this down, and then I will put this other one there. So that's perfect. You know, I might even be able to put this here. Might be tight squeeze. Yeah, that works, and I can put this on top there like so. So that sort of fits. Okay. Now for this lens, I will put this right at the bottom here. Make sure it's straight, and then I'll push this right down now. Let's take that on. So that's good already, and I got space for the body here. That's one body like that, and then I should be able to close it, or I'll turn it this way because I want to put this lens. So let's see if I can just leave it here, or in fact turn this around. And look at that, guys, all that has gone in here. Now I still have some bits I need to put in, so let's open up. We haven't finished, but we kind of are getting the idea. As small as this is, it does take a lot of stuff. So let's bring this out for now. So I can literally attach this to this if I choose to. And there's some space here where I'll be putting this filter here. Put the wipes as well. I think I can put the wipes at the bottom here. I'll put it in here, or I'll put the wipes in here as well. Now I think this might be tricky, but yeah, I'll put that there for now. Actually, I'll take this out. I'll put this one. If I put this metal bit down first, so that I know it doesn't hit my the body of my camera. This bit as well. I'll come here and put this in here. This as well. flip that close. Just struggling for where I'll put this one, but let's put that there and see. So again, let's bring this out. I put this body here, like so, and then put this the other way around, like so, and then chuck this in here. I'm recording with my Action for GoPro, not GoPro, sorry, DJI Action 4. So again, that fits in, and then this bit, I can just literally stick it here. Obviously, I'll do it the right way, but in terms of trying it out, it clearly does fit in. I'm really happy with this. Obviously, I haven't forgotten some other little bits for those of you who are very extra on the internet. This one, so it can stay there, and this blowing thing. And guys, that's everything packed in, and it still looks very slick. Low profile, you wouldn't even know. You know, I actually like this bag for that, you know. So yeah, so look out for the next video to see if everything in this bag fits in the Billingham, I think it is. Yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Take care.